Boys and girls, welcome to science. This week we're talking about basic needs of living things. And today we're talking about one of our very important basic needs, which is air. Let's go ahead and read. What is air? When you blow up a balloon, what is it filled with? It is filled with air. You cannot see air, but air is all around you. You need air to breathe. Air is another natural resource. We are always breathing air into our bodies. It keeps us alive. Air is made up of gases. A gas is something with no shape. It will fill up any space it is in. Working together. Plants and people work together. Plants make their own food. Plants release a gas called oxygen into the air when they make food. People need oxygen to breathe. People help plants by adding a gas to air that plants need. People breathe in and out. Okay, stop for a second and go ahead and breathe in and out. Very good. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out a gas called carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide when they make food. So you see in this illustration here, it's labeled and oxygen is coming out and carbon dioxide is going in. Isn't that really cool how we work together with plants? Wonderful wind. Do you know why trees sway back and forth? Or why your kite flies? They are being blown by wind. Wind is moving air. Wind can be gentle. It can ruffle your hair. Wind can also be very strong. Tornadoes and hurricanes are storms with strong winds. They can destroy people's homes. Helping plants grow. Air helps plants to grow. Air moves water around earth. Wind blows clouds from place to place. Clouds carry rainwater that plants need to survive. Wind also spreads plant seeds. Plant seeds are carried by the wind to new places. There they can grow into new plants. We see the seeds coming off of the plant there. Resources at risk. People are connected to Earth's natural resources. We need the air, land, and water around us to live. However, the actions of people can damage our natural resources. People damage the air by creating air pollution. Air pollution is harmful chemicals in the air that make air unclean. Breathing unclean air makes people sick. As wind blows, air pollution is spread to more places. Causes of air pollution. How do people create air pollution? The cars people drive create air pollution. Factories also create air pollution. Factories are buildings where products that people buy are made. And here we see some factories here. Many things in our homes, such as television, lights, fridges, and stoves, need energy to run. Energy is also used to heat our homes. Most energy is produced in special factories, which often create air pollution. Take action. Everyone can help reduce air pollution. Start by using less energy in your home. Turn off the lights in an empty room. Play outside instead of watching television. That way you will have fun and save energy. All right. Now, boys and girls, now that we've learned about air pollution, and what we can do to help stop air pollution, let's draw a nice picture of something we like to do outside in the nice fresh air. And I'm going to suggest, I'm going to flip back over here to this picture here. This is a couple girls that are having fun flying a kite. You could draw a picture of you flying a kite, or just running in a field on a nice summer day. Something where you enjoy feeling the air, feeling the breeze, and you have a good time. All right, draw a picture, upload it, and thank you for joining me today for science.